Hey there, bloggers, businessmen, and smart entrepreneurs. If you've decided to host your website on Hostinger, congratulations, you've chosen one of the best and most reliable platforms out there. And this video is here to make your hosting journey even more enjoyable and cost effective. I'm going to present you with two different Hostinger discount opportunities today. The first and most rewarding is my personal Hostinger referral discount code, which instantly unlocks a fantastic 20% off on any hosting plan. The second one is the standard coupon code Daryl10, which provides a 10% discount. Between the two, the 20% referral offer is clearly the smarter and more useful choice. In this calm and informative guide, I'll show you step by step how to easily claim that incredible 20% hosting a discount. My referral links are neatly organized in the video description box, listed country-wise in ascending order, along with local language and currency support. Just pick your country, tap the link, and you'll land straight on the official Hostinger website. From the homepage, simply hit the Products and Services tab on the navbar. You'll find every hosting plan and service beautifully listed. The inspiring part is that my 20% discount works across all of them. For today's example, I'm going with web hosting and specifically the business web hosting plan. Ideal for serious online ventures. As you proceed to checkout, watch how the 20% discount gets applied automatically. No extra steps needed. This small decision can bring heartwarming savings and give your business the strong foundation it deserves. Quick pro tip, always create and use a brand new email address that was never used on Hostinger before for the best experience. Enjoy your amazing 20% discount, my friend. If this video felt useful and enjoyable, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the official Hostinger coupon code channel for more life changing tips and inspiring deals. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.